multiple religious structures across Delhi. The allegations that have been dismissed and rejected by the Lieutenant Governor's office. However, the Congress party has also waded in amid this fresh face-off between the Delhi LG and the Aam Aadmi Party, slamming the Aam Aadmi Party, saying that the party and the government is playing vote bank politics.
ये सब इस समय जो भी आतिशी कर रही हैं या आम आदमी पार्टी कर रही है, ये सब चुनाव के तहत है। ये चीज़ें पहले से होती आती हैं। मुझे मालूम है, मैं भी सरकार में रहा हूं। जो मंदिरों को या इलीगल इमारतों को या सड़क के कारण या किसी और के कारण मंदिरों को शिफ्ट करने की या उनको हटाने की जो कमेटी होती है, उसका एक तौर तरीका होता है। उसमें सरकार के भी लोग बैठते हैं। सरकार के अधिकारियों पर इनका कोई कंट्रोल है नहीं। इनको कोई समझ नहीं है क्या चीज़ आनी है, क्या चीज़ नहीं आनी है। और अब एक नया चीज़ इन्होंने पिछले 2 साल में ले ली है कि हर चीज़ जिसमें इनको लगता है कि इनको वोट नहीं मिलेगा या वोट असर हो जाएगा, उसकी फाइल एक एलजी साहब के पास भेज देते हैं और खुद जो चाहे वो करते रहते हैं। मुझे इसमें कोई गंभीरता आतिशी जी की तरफ से दिखती नहीं है।
Well, Tetri, because the face-off is between the Delhi LG and the Aam Aadmi Party, the Congress party also wading in and not buying as far as the letter that has now been written by the Delhi Chief Minister over the allegations of demolition that she has been raising.
Well, absolutely. We have been seeing that war of words have erupted as far as this entire matter is concerned, in which after Delhi Chief Minister Atisha has written a letter to the LG office has denied all such allegations and have mentioned that no such order has been given to demolish the religious structure. And not just that, in fact, we have been also seeing that yes, BJP is attacking Aam Aadmi Party, and interestingly, not just the BJP, but you see the allies also of the India bloc are attacking Aam Aadmi Party, and not just BJP, but you see the Congress party, the left parties, and not only on the letter war, but also on the schemes that Aam Aadmi Party has been launching since the past few weeks, and in fact, all on those schemes also. Congress party and the left party have been questioning so as to why the work was not done for the past 10 years, what Aam Aadmi Party did in the past 10 years. And post that, we also saw that the statements coming in from the leaders like Sandeep Dixit, who are clearly taking a jibe at Aam Aadmi Party. However, we also saw Aam Aadmi Party hitting out at the Congress party. And in fact, while there was controversy erupting over the statements that Ajay Maken made, and over that, we also saw that Aam Aadmi Party giving an ultimatum to Congress party, and also in fact giving them a warning that they could approach India bloc leaders to in fact remove Congress party from the India bloc. So you see, as far as this war was is concerned, this will certainly turn into a massive political controversy as well, because on and on we have been seeing that the fight between LG and the Chief Minister, the war of words between both of them is not something new as far as the policy making or introduction of new rules or in fact the work for the people of national capital are concerned. It has been happening since the time Kejriwal government has come to power. Now we'll have to see that what happens next, how this particular matter of religious places demolition escalates, and how other parties respond to all such kind of allegations. Back to you.
All right, allegations after allegations that are now being raised. However, vote bank politics is the charge that is now being leveled on part of the Congress party here, because the intense face-off that has now been witnessed between the BJP, the Congress and the Aam Aadmi Party. Tetri, who continues to be with us, the examples and the locations that has been mentioned by the Delhi Chief Minister, Tetri, would that be looked upon as far as all of the allegations that there have been, she's been saying that temples and places of worship have been demolished?
Well, yes, absolutely. You see, there are several locations that have been mentioned in the letter, and it is not only just about the religious construction that are related to the temple, but there are also several dargahs that are mentioned in this particular letter, and in fact, it also mentions about 3 to 4 dargahs. Then it mentions about the temples, and then it also mentions about the relocation of the temples. As far as this letter is concerned,
by the Delhi Chief Minister, and that is being rejected by the Delhi LG, the office of LG, and however, the Congress party also not coming out in support of the Aam Aadmi Party here. Thank you very much, Tetri, for joining in. But even as we continue to stay with the updates coming